beautiful morning at Pontneddfechan waterfall walk. It's very fresh, -1 this morning.
หนาวมากเพื่อน
So there's a bit of frost there, as you can see. Probably be more up here. There we go, that's all ice. It's all frozen, the drippers on the...
น้ำเป็นน้ำแข็งบนต้นไม้ตรงนี้มันน้ำหยดจากข้างบนอ่ะ
Following the river now all the way up until we get to the waterfall right on top.
Oh, look at the cave
Oh,
here.
look, a bit of a cave there.
You know, in the summer we have a white garlic, full of white garlic by here.
It's it's very cold though.
It is cold.
Although it's dry, the sun is shining. It's -1 degree, so it's it will get colder. But this is quite fresh, isn't it?
Yeah. I came
I'm not
here
sure
in
if you can
lockdown.
see, but I think our noses are going nice and oh look, the sun is starting to shine. Our noses are getting
And we have my gloves on as well.
getting nice and red now.
Yeah.
But it's a beautiful morning.
Yes, beautiful. I like it like this. มันหนาวแต่ว่ามันสวยเพราะว่ามีแดดมันดูแดดแล้วก็เห็นแสงสว่างมีน้ำแข็งมันสวยแต่มันหนาว แต่มันก็คุ้มค่าที่ออกมาดูธรรมชาติสวยๆครับเพื่อน
It's better than the rain, isn't it?
Yeah, better than rain.
I much prefer the cold than the rain.
นี่ยังไม่หนาวเต็มที่นะคะแค่เริ่มต้นหน้าหนาว It just started the winter, not full of the winter yet.
No. So you got these
For the
lovely
starter.
little streams flowing into the river, come down from the mountains. Look, it's our own little beach. See ya?
Another
Lovely,
picnic
innit?
area, yeah. Oh, look, the sun on there as well. Oh,
Coming down on my beach, you can
Yeah,
walk down on
yeah.
this one.
yeah. Oh, they have steps down as well. Like,
But there's still quite a few birds about as well.
they must be enjoying the weather. Oh,
Go smooth this rock is. Oh, it's a nice bit here for a picnic. When
Yeah.
the weather's nice. It's a little bit cold today, mind. Look at the sun on the water.
and the children can play by
Yeah.
here, and the parents can
That's
sit by
deep,
here.
mind. Look how deep that is.
Yeah, quite deep. น้ำลึก
It's
มากเลย
really
ตรงเนี้ย
deep.
เป็นจุดที่มาปิกนิกแล้วก็เด็กๆก็เล่นน้ำไป
See the water trying to squeeze through the scup?
Yeah.
It's just made it very, very deep.
Oh, I bet this spot gonna be packed in the summer.
Lovely, isn't it?
Yeah, look at this. You can
Look,
sit
and
by
you can
there
you
and
can
dip
just
your feet in the
yeah.
water.
You just go in by there and it's deep out by there. Then you
Yeah.
can swim.
Yeah, and you can swim in the summer, not now. Oh, it's a lovely spot by here. Put our name on
Sit
it.
by here and just dip your feet in
Yeah.
to cool your feet.
Yeah.
After a long walk.
And then have the sandwich or picnic
Oh,
at the
look
same
at the
time.
sun on that water.
Beautiful.
Ah. It's very, very, very nice. The frost on the grass.
หญ้า
Look at
จน
that.
เป็นน้ำแข็งอ่ะเพื่อน
And then you can
Does
see
it?
where the sun is shining. It's melted to that side. White in colour.
ๆฝั่งไหนมีแดดมันก็จะละลายไปก่อน ฝั่งที่ยังไม่โดนแดดก็ยังเป็นน้ำแข็ง
You can see the difference by here, like where it's melted by here because the sun is on it. Like.
Yeah.
Ooh, watch you don't slip. It's quite slippery. Oh wow, that's really. Oh look,
What does that say?
Sam.
Miss you, Sam.
You're supposed to hide him in a different place, then. Oh look how deep that water is.
Wow.
I'm not sure if the camera can see that.
Good jumping spot by here.
It's really, really deep. Look, you've got a walking platform there to get out as well.
Wow.
Look at that, look, the water have washed that tree down and it's blocked, it's gone across like a bridge. Look on this one. That is seriously
beautiful.
Deep. But it's cut, like I say, through the rock by here. And then it goes wide again.
You want a hunting mushroom? It might dark, might because the sun's over there.
Hey?
It might go dark, might the photo because the sun.
Yeah, probably will. Oh, limbo, man, you got to duck under the tree.
Can you do that, Vida? Oh, just about. Make it.
And I got it all on film.
So my knee
so
still working.
You can get under there, I've got a duck.
So my knee is still working, okay.
Yeah. This is how we keep in shape.
Yeah.
It's like an obstacle course.
Sure. Show them there. Look, all the forest up there.
Oh, the sun in the trees. As you can see, all the leaves have gone now. It's that time of year now where until March now when the leaves will start sprouting and new leaves will come in, and in the summer they'll be all lovely and green again. Oh, by April really they'll be green again. April, May.
ช่วงเมษาก็จะกลับมาเขียวเหมือนเดิมช่วงนี้ก็จะตายแห้งๆแบบนี้แหละค่ะช่วงหน้าหนาวช่วงเมษาก็เริ่มผลิใบใหม่ดอกไม้ก็เริ่มออกสวยงาม Spring season.
This is where the river splits. So it goes up that way to one waterfall and that way to another waterfall. I know the big one is up that side, so which one do we want to do?
We go this one first and then if you can't go further.
It stops and then you've got to come back, yeah? So we'll go this one first.
Yeah.
That over there, guys, is seriously deep.
Watch out.
There's a lot of scum on the water at the moment.
Oh,
look, there's Victoria's stone over there.
Sam over there, Victoria's here.
Over there, out by there is seriously deep, as you can see it off the ledge over there. So we follow this path, or do you want to go on that path or whether you're going over there?
Yeah, I think we go this one.
All other routes. What does that say over there? Pontneddfechan 30 minutes. Viewpoint 5 minutes. Up here to a viewpoint, yeah?
Yeah, okay. We go viewpoint further, then we come back.
There's a start of them over there. Show you when we get up a little bit further, guys.
Don't think about it, Frida. I know what you're thinking. I know what you're thinking. I can read your mind.
You know me so well.
Remember, it's not the summer if you fell in the water. You can go up there with a step there.มาถึงแล้วค่ะน้ำตกมีอันแรกนะคะยังมีอีกข้างหน้าค่ะอันนี้ไม่ใหญ่เท่าที่เราไปตอนซัมเมอร์อยู่ในแอเรียเดียวกันนี่แหละแต่ว่าเราต้องข้ามเขาไปอีกลูกนึงอ่ะถ้าจะไปตัวนั้นนะ วยงามพระรามเก้าดูแสงแดดบนยอดไม้อยู่ที่นีสนะคะเมืองนีสค่ะเซาท์เวลส์นักท่องเที่ยวมาเที่ยวเยอะนะคะที่นี่ทางลอนดอนทางไหนๆเขาก็มาเที่ยวที่นี่เยอะเลยนะ What they call this place in
Pontneddfechan.
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 That's it. Good girl.
ในเวลส์ภาษาเวลส์
Hard to say Welsh, isn't it?
Yeah นี่นะคะถ้าอยากมาเที่ยวน้ำตกคือที่นี่เลยนะคะ Google เลยนะคะ ถ้าจะเดินทั้งวันก็ได้เลยนะเป็น10 ชั่วโมงเลยมันจะเยอะมากแต่นี่เรามาแค่ครึ่งวันค่ะ
Right, on to the next waterfall. We're back down now where the
Viewpoint.
river branched off. We've been up to that one now, up to the viewpoint there. So we're going to walk around now to the other waterfall. We've got to go across a couple of these bridges. You want me to go first?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a nice photo. Back on the trail again. Up to the second waterfall now. Got all the moss and fern growing.
Look at that.
Incredible.
Like a carpet.
It's loving it in the sun. It is like a carpet.
It's like a green carpet, you know.
Yeah, look at it.
See? It's like a green carpet. เหมือนพรมเลยอ่ะ Look.
But it's everywhere.
Oops.
Covering everything. There's still so much growing, right, this time of year, isn't there?
Mm-hmm.
Especially the ferns. Look how healthy these are looking.
Yeah.
That's incredible.
Oh, look at beer.
The moss. So it's just like
Look.
a huge carpet.
Yeah. Looking healthy.
And it's a long way down there now, to the river.
Don't fall.
There's the river down there.
Hello. Hi. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, look at this.
How beautiful is that?
Very beautiful. สวยงามพระรามเก้า
Oh, it's really nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
You hear the sound of it?
Yes. Very powerful. นี่คืออีกอันนึงนะคะจากเมื่อกี้เนี่ย
Oh, look at that.
สวยมากอะแล้วมันไม่ใช่เล็กๆนะสถานที่เนี้ยมันใหญ่มากค่ะเพื่อน
Can't beat Mother Nature, can you?
No.
Nature's a wonderful thing. Look at it.
No, you can't beat that.
They getting more impressive the further we go up the river.
Yeah.
Oh, look.
And this one, I seen people jump off this one as well.
There's a rope swing, look on there.
มีชิงช้าโห
But they're
ลงไป
very
ด้วย
deep. That water but there is extremely deep on this one. Oh,
Oh, and up there, look.
yeah, look at it.
It's very nice.
Climb again.
สวยมากถ้าเพื่อนๆอยากให้มาเห็นสถานที่จริงๆมันสวยมากจริงๆไม่รู้จะอธิบายยังไงบรรยายยังไงว่ามันสวย
And it's lovely in the sun, isn't it?
Yeah
Very, very nice.
ทุกอย่างดูสวยถ้ามีแดด Everything look beautiful when we have sunshine
And you build up a fantastic appetite for later.
Yes แล้วทำให้เรากินข้าวอร่อย
You don't feel guilty when you eat
No
then.
เวลาเราไปกินข้าวเราจะรู้สึกอร่อยและ enjoy มากพอมาเดิน
You enjoy it more with the fresh air and exercise.
Yeah Okay Yep
Hey.
Yeah Okay
There we
Save
go. Oh wow.
Wow don't you fall in there Oh really strong drop this one ใช่ไหม
Finish.
อีกหนึ่งน้ำตกนะคะที่นี้จะมีหลายอันมากค่ะเพื่อนๆสวยงาม
You
พลา
can
ม
see the
ได้
top of
เลย
this one as well. The river comes down. And then straight over the top.
อันนี้เดินมาข้างบนได้เลยอันนี้จะเดินขึ้นมาข้างบนได้เลยนะคะมีทางเดินขึ้นมาแบบนี้ค่ะมีที่นั่งเล่นนั่งกินข้าวได้ด้วยเคยมาตอนกินข้าวป่า
And then it just drops right over the end.
ดูสิเพื่อน
Still frosty here.
ๆหญ้าเป็นน้ำแข็งอ่ะหนาวสวยนะเนี่ยยังมีน้ำแข็งอยู่เลยค่ะ
Oh, the ground is rock solid.
โอ้ลบไปเยอะ
All frosty.
I can see mushroom
Watch it melt now. Right.
ไปได้พี่ดา
Watch it melt now. I'm gonna put my finger on it. There, see?
You see mushroom
Oh yeah, on the tree.
Oh it's so beautiful
Oh, look at these mushrooms.
Oh
Look under there.
Oh my gosh Oh my gosh
Look at all that.
ตายพี่น้องเห็ด I gonna do this sorry
Look, they're everywhere. Oh, look at these ones. Look. Look at that one stand alone. Look,
Oh
on his own.
on his own
Thai people
เจอ
love
ปลา
mushrooms.
เห็ด
as
อี
you
ก
can
แล้วค่ะ
tell.
พี่น้องไม่รู้เห็ดอะไรแต่มันดำหมดแล้วอ่ะ แต่มันเยอะ
They
มาก
get
เลย
so
นะ
excited when they see mushrooms. I don't remember it being a car park.
I didn't remember.
I don't remember that.
No.
I don't think I've been up here before. No, do you know what this is? This is another way to park, to walk down to see the waterfall we just been to. We've been to the waterfall, that was the one we were just filming, but this is another way to get to it. So that was Pontneddfechan walk. Beautiful. And now I've really warmed up now. So now we're going to head back to where we started now.
ใหญ่มากค่ะเพื่อนๆมาเที่ยวถ้าใครมาก็มาเที่ยวที่นีสนะคะเมืองนีส
Did you enjoy your walk?
Yes,
Beautiful.
I really enjoy it. Yeah.
I think, let me check you. No, let me turn that on first. There we go. Now you're in action now. Now we can hear you.
Yeah, I really enjoy it. Thank you, my darling.
Very welcome.
What a day trip again today. สวยมาก
Yeah.
เพื่อนๆมานี่ไม่ผิดหวังเพราะว่ามันกว้างมากใหญ่มากแล้วก็ถ้าอยากจะไปทำ10 ชั่วโมงเลยเนี่ยก็คือไปต่อทางนี้เลยนะคะเดินไปต่อทางปิกนิกแอเรียเนี่ยเดินไปแล้วมันก็จะไปอีกฟากหนึ่งก็จะมีน้ำตกที่ใหญ่กว่านี้อีกแล้วก็เป็นน้ำตกใหญ่ที่เราเดินข้างหลังน้ำตกได้ที่เราไปคราวที่แล้วนะคะอันนี้คืออีกฝั่งหนึ่ง so you continue walk over there you can reach
You
to
can go
another
to the other waterfalls,
Yeah.
but like you say, if you don't want to walk the distance we did, because some of the terrain is a bit
yeah
hard. But if you want a shorter walk, just park by here.
yeah park way
You
and
can
walk
find this car
yeah.
park on Google and then just walk down by here to the big waterfall.
or just park where we park and then you walk up
Yeah.
here and then walk
The
back
beauty about where we parked is you get to see the smaller ones
yeah
leading up to, which is a
Yeah.
beautiful walk. But
ถ้าจอดตรงนี้ก็จะเห็นแต่อันใหญ่นะคะเพื่อนๆแต่ถ้าจอดที่เราเดินมากันก็จะเห็นทุกอันเลยเห็นทุกๆ waterfall มาเลยจนมาถึงอันเนี้ยแล้วก็เดินกลับไปค่ะสวยไม่ผิดหวังค่ะมา
so
เที่ยว
guys, if you enjoyed what we showing you,
please subscribe
subscribe to the channel.
Yeah, so we can
we really
do more
appreciate
content.
it, and it helps us massively.
yeah
Like I say, in May now we go back to Thailand, and we'll have loads more videos to show you of the food, the night
Yeah.
markets, the culture.
yeah
It's a bit of everything really. We go in from the Isan villages
yeah
to Bangkok to the beach this time as well. We go
We're
to
gonna go
Hua Hin,
Hua
so
Hin,
and Paturup Kirikan.
yeah so while we in Wales in the UK we just show in South Wales most of the time
To our Thai followers, we just want to show you what
What it's
nature
like
is
in-
like in the
yeah.
UK.
ก็ในขณะที่เราอยู่ที่ UK แล้วก็อยากจะโชว์วัฒนธรรมแล้วก็สถานที่ท่องเที่ยวในเวลส์ค่ะว่าเป็นยังไงถ้าใครอยากมาเที่ยวหรือว่าใครไม่เคยมีโอกาสมาเที่ยวก็จะได้เห็นว่าเวลส์เป็นยังไงนะคะก็เนี่ยค่ะแล้วก็พยายามจะทำคอนเทนต์แล้วก็วิดีโอใหม่ๆให้เพื่อนดูค่ะ
And how
ขอบคุณ
beautiful
มาก
it can be
Yeah.
in nature in Wales, isn't it?
Yeah.
You know, it's a beautiful country when
Yeah.
when you get out to the towns and cities. You know,
Yeah.
it's there's lots to see,
yeah ประเทศเวลเป็นภูมิภาคที่สวยมากค่ะเพื่อน
and it's all free.
ๆ yeah and free แค่เติมน้ำมันรถ only you have to fill the petrol
Yes,
That's
yes,
all.
get into it.
and next time we're gonna go Pennavan
Yes, we're going to do Pennavan
Yeah.
Mountain. That's coming up.
Yeah.
But we got to have a nice day because the weather changes.
yeah เอาไว้อากาศดี
Pretty
ๆเราจะ
quick
พา
then
ไป
it can get very dangerous. So we got to pick a. Today would have been perfect.
Yeah.
But we wanted to do this walk for a while, so because especially in the winter,
yeah
because in the summer it's very very busy, as you can imagine when the weather's
ช่วงซัมเมอร์
this
จะ
time of year,
yeah
as you can
Hot.
see, there's not many people about. It's lovely.
no ถ้าช่วงซัมเมอร์คนจะเยอะมากนะคะที่เนี่ยเยอะมากเลย
So thanks for watching, guys, and like I say,
ขอบคุณค่ะ
it will help us tremendously if you would
Yeah.
subscribe to the channel. So
ขอบคุณมากค่ะ
till next
เพื่อน
time,
ๆขอบคุณ
thank you very much.
ค่ะ
Kapungap.